Did you know 40% of women over 40 experience visible hair loss? What if I told you ancient Japanese princesses never experienced hair loss even at 80? Would you believe that changing just one morning habit could transform your hair in 30 days? Stay until the end because I'm sharing a secret habit that will reverse your hair loss completely, backed by Harvard researchers. Plus, you'll discover why the most expensive hair products might actually be damaging your hair more than helping it. Could your morning routine be killing your hair follicles? Your morning shower might be the culprit behind your thinning hair, but not for the reasons you think. Research from the University of California showed that 78% of women wash their hair incorrectly, creating microscopic damage that builds up over time. Water temperature plays a crucial role. Studies reveal that washing hair in water above 98 degrees Fahrenheit triggers excessive sebum production. Therefore, start with a vigorous scalp massage using lukewarm water to stimulate blood flow. Then transition to cool water for the final rinse, which seals the cuticles and locks in nutrients. The Journal of Dermatology reports that this temperature-switching technique improved hair density by 32% over 3 months. But here's the game changer: apply your conditioner before shampoo. This atomic habit creates a protective barrier, preventing the harsh surfactants in shampoo from stripping your hair's natural oils. Is your pillow secretly stealing your hair's youth? Something as simple as your pillowcase could be aging your hair by 5 years. According to a 2023 study in the International Journal of Trichology, cotton pillowcases create friction that damages hair cuticles while you sleep. But here's the breakthrough. Switching to silk or bamboo pillowcases reduced breakage by 43% in just 2 weeks. The atomic habit lies in preparation. Flip your pillow every night and replace it every 6 months. A Mayo Clinic study found that pillowcases accumulated dead skin cells and oils that clog hair follicles. Therefore, establish an evening ritual. Braid your hair loosely using silk scrunchies, apply a few drops of argan oil to the ends, and sleep on your silk pillowcase. Japanese women have practiced this ritual for centuries, but modern science finally explains why it works. Silk's amino acids match human hair's protein structure, creating a protective environment. What common breakfast foods are making your hair fall out? Your breakfast choices might be sabotaging your hair growth. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition revealed that 67% of women over 40 lack the specific proteins needed for healthy hair growth. The atomic habit transformation starts with your first meal. Begin your day with 2 eggs and a handful of pumpkin seeds, providing 78% of your daily biotin needs. But timing is everything. Researchers at the University of Texas found that consuming protein within 30 minutes of waking up optimizes hair follicle nutrition. Therefore, prepare your protein-rich breakfast the night before. Mix Greek yogurt with chia seeds and berries, then add a tablespoon of ground flaxseed in the morning. This combination delivers crucial omega-3 fatty acids and zinc, which Swiss researchers linked to 28% faster hair growth rates. Why do expensive shampoos make your hair problems worse? The truth about luxury hair products will shock you. Research from the Environmental Working Group found that 2% of high-end shampoos contain hidden sulfates and silicones. These ingredients create an illusion of shine but gradually suffocate your hair follicles. The atomic habit solution? Create your own pH-balanced cleanser. Mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with 2 cups of filtered water. Korean research published in the Journal of Medicinal Food showed this simple solution balances scalp pH better than commercial products. But don't stop there. Add 3 drops of rosemary essential oil, which Italian researchers found to be as effective as minoxidil for hair growth. Therefore, wash your hair only every 3rd day using this gentle mixture. Store it in a dark glass bottle and shake well before each use. Could your stress relief habit be causing hair thinning? That glass of wine you drink to relax might be your hair's worst enemy. The British Journal of Dermatology reported that even moderate alcohol consumption depletes zinc and iron levels, crucial minerals for hair growth. Instead, adopt this atomic habit. Practice scalp acupressure for 3 minutes before bed. A study from Beijing Traditional Medicine University demonstrated that specific pressure points around the crown increase blood flow by 45%. Start at your temples and work in small circles toward the crown. But here's what makes it powerful. Combine this with deep breathing exercises. Research shows that lowering cortisol levels through breathing increases hair growth factors by 32%. Therefore, create a ritual. Dim the lights, play soft music, and spend those 3 minutes investing in your hair's future. Join our community and never miss out on new content. Subscribe today. Is your workout routine making your hair thinner? Your intense exercise might be triggering unexpected hair loss. A groundbreaking study from the University of Copenhagen revealed that high-intensity workouts without proper nutrition can increase DHT levels, the hormone responsible for hair loss. The Atomic Habit solution combines timing and nutrition. Exercise between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. when cortisol levels naturally balance with growth hormones. But here's the crucial part: consume 15 grams of collagen protein 30 minutes before your workout. Research in the Journal of Sports Medicine showed this timing increased scalp blood flow by 48%. Therefore, prepare your pre-workout drink the night before. Mix collagen powder with tart cherry juice and ginger. This combination, studied at Stanford University, provides both protein and anti-inflammatory compounds that protect hair follicles during exercise. Are you brushing your way to baldness? Your hairbrush technique might be causing more damage than aging. Research from the British Hair Council found that 89% of women brush their hair incorrectly, leading to unnecessary breakage. The Atomic Habit transformation starts with direction and timing. Brush from the middle of your hair length, then the ends, and finally from roots. Never start from the top down. A study in the International Journal of Cosmetic Science proved this method reduces breakage by 37%. But timing matters more than you think. Brush your hair exactly 32 strokes before bed, following the traditional Japanese practice. Why is your thyroid sabotaging your hair growth? Hidden thyroid issues affect 35% of women over 40, but most don't know it's affecting their hair. The American Thyroid Association reveals that subtle thyroid imbalances can cause hair thinning years before other symptoms appear. The Atomic Habit focus here is on mineral timing. Take your selenium supplement with breakfast, but zinc with dinner. Research shows this timing maximizes absorption. But wait, there's more. The real game changer comes from a UCLA study. Massaging your throat area for 2 minutes daily stimulates thyroid function naturally. Therefore, create a morning ritual. Combine the throat massage with application of seaweed-based hair serum, which Korean researchers found provides crucial iodine through skin absorption. This double-action approach improved hair density in 82% of study participants. Could your water be the hidden hair loss trigger? Your shower water might contain hair-damaging minerals. Environmental scientists at MIT discovered that hard water minerals build up on hair, leading to breakage and thinning. The Atomic Habit solution requires a two-step approach. Install a shower filter. Studies show this reduces mineral buildup by 76%. But here's what most experts won't tell you. Mist your hair with filtered water and aloe vera mix between washes. Research published in the Journal of Chemical Engineering showed this prevents mineral accumulation. Therefore, prepare your protective spray weekly. Mix 1 cup filtered water with 2 tablespoons pure aloe vera gelend, 5 drops of lavender essential oil. This formula, tested at the University of California, creates an invisible shield against hard water damage. What's the morning sunlight secret for stronger hair? Here's the breakthrough tip nobody talks about. Morning sunlight exposure dramatically affects hair growth. Research from Harvard Medical School revealed that morning sunlight between 7 to 9 a.m. triggers specific genes responsible for hair growth cycles. The Atomic Habit here combines light exposure with scalp circulation. Spend 10 minutes in morning sun while doing gentle neck rolls. But here's the secret boost. Apply a caffeine-based scalp serum before sun exposure. German researchers found this combination increased hair shaft growth by 40%. Therefore, create your morning power routine: light exposure, gentle movement, and targeted nutrition. Mix green tea with mint in your morning drink. Studies show this combination provides hair-strengthening antioxidants that work synergistically with morning light exposure. Are you over 40 and living your best life? Share your inspiring story with the world and spread positivity in the comment below. Discover hidden causes of hair loss and natural solutions that work. Stop balding with these proven methods. Let's watch the next video here.